Welcome back to another exciting edition of Winning Product Friday, where we dive into the hottest trending products that you can add to your store today. Today, we've got a gem, one that's sleek, functional, and blowing up in the dropshipping world. It's the 12-piece Silicone Cooking Utensil Set. Yep, this set is turning heads and filling up carts like crazy, and for good reason. So, why is this silicone set making waves? First of all, it's got over 11,000 orders already. Talk about demand, right? With a product cost of about $8 and a selling price of around $26, you're looking at a very healthy margin. That means every time you sell one, you're pocketing close to $18. Not bad at all. Now let's talk about why this is selling like hotcakes. First off, the kitchen niche. It's evergreen. People are cooking more at home these days and are always upgrading their gadgets. And this set, it's non-stick, heat-resistant, and safe for all types of cookware. Buyers love it because it checks all the boxes, and it's available in super trendy, Instagram-worthy colors. Seriously, who doesn't want their kitchen tools to look cute and functional? So why should you add this to your store? Well, it has broad appeal. It's versatile enough for beginners setting up their first kitchen and seasoned chefs alike. Plus, kitchen gadgets always perform well in social media ads. Think about those satisfying quick clips on Instagram. This product is perfect for that. And with thousands of units sold, you already know it's a winner. All right, let's talk about getting this product into your store and into the hands of your customers. Use our Supplier Finder feature to locate reliable suppliers with top-notch reviews and ratings. Just click that Supplier Finder button, and you'll see a pop-up that makes importing the product to your store a breeze with the Add to Store button. If you're enjoying the video so far, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to get notified of our next video. It really helps us keep putting videos like this out for you. Haven't launched your online store yet? No worries. We've got you covered with Salshop. It's user-friendly, affordable, and perfect for both beginners and experienced dropshippers. Salshop will help you create an attractive and functional online store in no time. Once your product is set up, promoting it effectively is crucial. We suggest starting with targeted Facebook ads to reach a wider audience. Our comprehensive Facebook ads courses can guide you in creating ads that not only attract attention, but also turn viewers into customers. If you're on Shopify, you can also use our Shopify app to add it to your store. Before you go, if you want to try out Sell the Trend and Salshop, links are down in the description for a free trial. Trust me, you're going to love how easy it makes dropshipping. And before you leave, tell us in the comments, what's one kitchen gadget you can't live without? Let's chat. See you next time for more Winning Product Friday. Happy dropshipping.